Meaning of exceptionally.
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 Exceptionally. Exceptionally means something is far beyond the norm or average, indicating a high degree of quality or uniqueness. When we describe something as exceptional, we mean that it stands out from others in its class. It could refer to someone's talents or abilities that are particularly remarkable or to a product that is superior to others on the market. In short, exceptionally conveys a sense of excellence that goes beyond what is expected or typical, marking something as truly exceptional and worthy of attention and admiration.